things already being not just talked about but being experienced. Internet of Things, AI, 3D printing, a lot of such technologies are already making an impact on every industry, but especially manufacturing, if we say. There would be different parameters on which I see it influencing us or our workplace. Virtual or digital workplace definitely is something we are gearing ourselves for. In terms of product, we are moving from product industry to service industry. Marketplace is the thing that everybody is talking about, like Alibabas of the world, you know. In terms of, if I were to say other things as well, for example, in terms of regulations, cyber laws, more intense cyber laws or privacy protection laws will be call of the day. So I see movement from machine learning to deep thinking to AI. So these are few things that automatically right now we have started experiencing.